Hey folks, how y'all doing? This is Fat Guy Flies RC. We're out here at Avon Parkfield. We're going to take up the RV-7 Sport. Right aileron, left aileron, right aileron, left aileron, up rudder, elevator, down elevator, right rudder, left rudder. All right, got no wind to speak of, so we're going to try some takeoff flaps.
Flaps up.
All right, it's another one of those planes that I feel very comfortable with. And I almost felt completely comfortable from the first time I flew it. Flow it, man, flow it.
Landing flaps.
Come on. There we go. All right.
Flaps up.
Now this plane, not really a good grass plane. Them skirts are kind of low to the ground, and you're real tendency to nose over in grass. So unless it's really short grass, I wouldn't. I mean really short, like golf green type grass. Right aileron, left aileron, up elevator, down elevator, right rudder. Okay. I'm running a 2800 reaction battery. Has a 50C discharge in her. Get up over the sun so you're not blinded. Just a sweet flying little plane.
Landing flaps. Flaps up. Landing flaps. Flaps up.
All right. Well, okay. Got spun around there. Hey.
Landing flaps. Time remaining 4 minutes.
All right, do takeoff flaps this time. Nice thing about them takeoff flaps, I don't have to use any elevator, and she'll take lift right off, which is exactly what you want. Out of the power, not completely. I'm not completely dead sticker. You got to have a little bit of power, especially when you're landing a low wing. There we go. Yeah, no elevator needed to take off with that setting. I think I like takeoff flaps for landing. Just using my rudder for correction, elevator to keep the nose up, a little bit of throttle. There. A little bit better. I'm just using takeoff flaps this time. Now let's do no flaps at all. I've been landing these past couple of times with takeoff flaps. Let's land her this time with nothing. No flaps at all. All right. Okay, got her level enough. Just using elevator, rudder, and throttle only. Well,
Time remaining 3 minutes.
she's just too hot. Just too hot. So let's go a little further down the runway here. We will use landing flaps this time. Out of the power, and then back into the power just a little bit. Yeah, that's almost perfect. All right, beautiful little plane.
Flaps up.
Perfect, perfect, perfect. All right, still got 2.5 minutes. This is what I like to do. Just take off and land, take off and land. Try to nail them landings. Trying to make them just, and that was a no flap landing that time, just so you know. Okay. Got her level. Just made enough power. Using my rudder for correction. Oh yeah. Oh man. What a sweet flying little plane. Boy, it is. It is one sweet.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Yeah, let's do a fast pass real low. Well, y'all could feel my smile, couldn't you? All right, keeping her level. Using my elevator. Little Tokyo slide there at the end, or Tokyo drift. All right. Oh, baby. No flaps at all. All right, that was a 6-minute flight. Motor off. And I think, oh, that's right, I don't have a smart battery in there, but motor's off. But let's take a look. I got the checker in my pocket after a full 5 minutes of flying, bunch of landings and takeoffs, which are very battery sucking. You can see where I've got that 2850C or 4-cell, basically all the way forward and strapped down. And let's just see what kind of life I've got left in the tank. Is 54% left in the tank, so that's perfect. I mean, I could have flown for another 2 minutes easy. Well, there you go, folks. That was the oh, just so you know, that is the Reaction 2 4S 50C discharge 2800 4S that I got from Horizon Hobby. They had them on sale for $25, and they're normally 50 bucks. So hey, that's, of course, that was a couple of Christmases ago. All right, folks, so there you go. That's the RV-7 Sport. Great little plane, it's great choice for your first low wing, and perfect plane to transition into warbirds, because you got to learn the discipline of landing with some power, you know, and staying on that rudder and that throttle to get them organized landing and keeping your nose up the elevator. So anyways, you got to land with a little bit of speed. So great first bird before warbirds. All right, folks, y'all have a good one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget, faith, family, and friends, and then planes. Bye, y'all.